Hey guys, let's learn how to fix many attempts in TikTok problem. What you could actually do is to relaunch the application now. Doing this won't always work as good because you might lose your content and all of the videos that you just recorded will be gone. It won't happen all the time because sometimes TikTok would actually detect that you have some unsaved content and they will automatically save that onto your drafts. But it's just a chance, or rather, it's 1 in a million chance, but not really 1 in a million, maybe like 50-50 percentage. So basically, if you do that, all you need to do, or rather if you encounter that problem, all you need to do is to relaunch the application, go to your homes, exit the program, and relaunch the app. So basically, if that will solve your problem now, and once you head over onto your profile, you will see that you're going to view the drafts or rather view the video in your drafts. And of course, if you're still encountering the problem, what you could do is to uninstall and reinstall the program. So of course, long pressing on the program, clicking on Remove App, and then clicking on Delete App. And of course, to reinstall the program, go on your Play Stores or Apple App Store, search for the name of the program again, which is TikTok, and of course, reinstall it onto your phones. In this case, I had to do an update, so let's just do that real quick. Perfect. Okay. So basically, that is how you fix the TikTok to many attempts problem in iPhone. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.